Okay, backyard garden here. I finally got all four, one, two, three, four of my big pots that sifted through that soil, that old soil that I had. Here we go. And I still got another bucket to go through the soil. Um, but I am tired. I've been out here for about 4 hours. I finally got them. Well, I got to put a little more in there, but don't mind these little petals. That's a tree behind me that's blowing it. But yes, finally getting the soil together. I'm gonna take the rest of the day off and think about what I'm gonna plant in each pot. Um, yeah. So backyard farming here, cheap gardening, and no, I added some more to the compost. Some dirt, grass, cardboard, some old food scraps in there. It rained last night. I thought this was gonna break apart, but it didn't do too much raining. I got my waters filled up. Ready to go tomorrow. I got the bait. They said to wait till after Mother's Day to plant. So, but I don't see anything cold, less than 50 degrees for the next couple weeks. So I'm gonna sleep on it, see what I'm gonna do tomorrow. And if anybody thinking, they on a budget like me, I just want to let you know I got these gardening gloves and these two garden tools from the Dollar Tree, $1.25. And I cleaned up some bleach and some water, two more pots. I'm gonna fill it up with some soil tomorrow, and figure out what I'm gonna put in each pot. So, like I said, I'm gonna sleep on it, and then tomorrow I'll record, keep y'all up to date, let y'all know what I'm gonna do. But I'm making progress. I am making progress. I know this yard don't look the best, but backyard farming, it's getting there. Got my containers. So, y'all stay tuned.